your girl Miss Nene, and we back with another video. If you would like to see how I turned this 613 22-inch full lace wig into this beautiful, I don't even know what color to call this, like I'm just so obsessed with it. It came out exactly the way that I wanted it to. I do have a few spots that did not take all of the color, like that right there, but honestly and truly I really like it. Like, I went back and I was going to go ahead and try to edit that and fix it, you know, add some more color in those. But honestly, I like the two-dimension color. Like, I like the fact that it's dark in some places and light in some places. So that means that when I switch this part over, honey, you get a whole new view of it. But it's neither here nor there. Just go ahead and stay tuned to the rest of the video if you want to see how we got this. Okay, so in order to do this, you're going to need tongs, spoon, gloves, your color of choice, your wig, and of course the comb and or brush, your choice. You're going to add your water into the pot and make sure that it is hot. Said pot, I meant bowl. Sorry, y'all. So you're gonna go ahead and add the color in there and make sure that you stir it up. You don't want any clumps or any lumps of the color in there. Make sure that it's nice and smooth, all one color. After that, you're going to gradually dip the wig in and out of the color, and you're going to let it sit. I chose to let my wig sit for about 5 minutes after I was finished with the whole dipping in and out process. But I feel like this video is pretty self-explanatory and I am not going to talk the whole video, so just go ahead and watch. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer. Enjoy, guys. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out all of the knots that may be there. Go ahead and blow dry it. I blew dry I cannot talk. I blow dried the wig on a cool setting to make sure that I wasn't damaging the hair or drying it out in any way. And then I styled it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys like to see. See you in the next video. Bye guys.